Hey guys, it's me, Keisha B. I'm back with another video as promised. Remember, I said I was gonna be more consistent? Well, this is my first food video. It's a salad, and I'll explain everything as we go along. Okay, so right here, I'm just cutting up onions because I like crunchy things on top of my salad. So I'm gonna be making some onion rings. Why didn't I utilize my mandolin? And I'll insert a picture of a mandolin just in case you're like, what the hell is a mandolin? It would have been a lot easier had I used it, but I just moved not too long ago and a lot of my handy dandy cooking tools are packed up, so I had to use a knife. So I'm making a wet batter for my onion rings. Just almond milk and flour. You'll add enough flour to get it to a thick consistency because you want that wet coating to stick to the onion rings before you put it in the dry dredge to fry it. I'm just going to chop up some vegetables. You don't need to see me doing that because you know how to do that. You should know how to do that. It's not that hard. Okay, I took the chicken out of the package and I'm butterflying the chicken. So that means to just split it in half. Usually those breasts are pretty big. And you can get a couple of pieces, out of just one breast. So it's always wise to cut it up because trying to cook a full breast, I'm going to grill mine. Trying to grill a full thick breast, it's too much. Okay? It's too much. So just cut it, all right? Now we're going to season the chicken because nobody likes flavorless food. I know the fuck I don't. So I have my homemade Cajun seasoning, which will be coming to you very soon. Stay tuned. Poultry seasoning and just pink Himalayan sea salt. We're going to season both sides, front and back, okay, from the rooter to the tutor. I had to add a glove because I'm not really a fan of like meat in my hand. Well, this kind of meat at least. Put a sensor on that. Put a sensor on that. I'm sorry. Anyway, so now I'm just massaging the seasoning in, and I'm going to spray my cast iron grill with avocado oil. It's very simple. Okay. Make sure we get everybody in the pan. Everybody need enough room to actually shrink up because that's what happens to meat when you cook it. It shrinks. I'm not going to keep going with that joke. Sorry. You want to make sure it cooks on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want to get it dry. Ugh. Can't stand no dry chicken. Can't stand nothing dry. I told you I was going to stop. Let me knock it off. All right. So now it's time to make the onion rings. I dropped them in the dry dredge, which was just flour and seasoning. I do apologize that I did not record that. Just bear with me because I'm getting back into the swing of things, okay? So we just gonna, not we, but me. I'm putting the onion rings in the oil and I keep saying we. It's just me. It's just me cooking. I allowed those to fry and I am going to remove them out of the oil and put them on a cooling rack so the oil can drip down. I would not suggest that you put them on a paper towel because it's just going to make them soggy. So now I'm just frying up the rest of those onion rings for the remaining of the time that you are here with me. All right, let's get the rest of those kids out of the pool. Now I'm making the homemade ranch dressing. Yep, I did say homemade. I'll list the ingredients in the description bar. I'll try to get a approximate of measurements. I do my best. That's Greek yogurt and mayonnaise. After that, I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. And I said that right because I'm an OG. Worcestershire. That's how you pronounce it. Lemon juice without the damn seeds. I don't know why I did not squeeze that over a strainer. Like, what the whole hell? Just slow. That's slow shit. Anyways, that's dill weed. Dill weed usually comes a little like I don't know how to describe it. I usually put mine in my spice grinder to make it, kind of like a powdery consistency. And of course, I had to taste it, quality control. Here, now we have all of the ingredients. Salad is so easy to make, right? I think that since salad is one of those things most people look to, have when you're trying to like lose weight. But on some days, if you want to just have a good salad, put everything in it. I mean, damn, it's salad. Add what's considered bad stuff. But see, here there's really no bad stuff except for the onion rings. The chicken is grilled. I got a boiled egg, avocado. The dressing is, not the greatest, but it's good. So here we have the finished product, and I did not turn the camera on to plate the stuff in the damn bowl. I'm like, what? I looked up, camera just on red. I'm like, God damn it. Anyway, this is the salad. So good. So good. Onion rings, avocado, diced tomatoes, grilled chicken, purple cabbage, boiled egg, and romaine lettuce. Don't get no more difficult than that. I got my dressings on the side. Here's my hands. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Shadow in the back dancing for some strange reason. Y'all bear with me because these videos are going to be just like this. It's going to be me talking. I'm not the greatest at voiceovers, but you get the gist of it. So this is my outro, pan over the salad. Take a close look at all of the ingredients and the grill marks on the chicken type of situation. Okay? Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Thank you for listening to me ramble and tell you what's in the salad amongst some other things that were unnecessarily told to you. Anyway, come back for more videos and yeah, take care of yourself, okay? All right then. All right then. Bye y'all. Be well. Eat salad.